Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. The first thing I want to do is I want to go over the extra problem that I gave you on Friday, and I want you to see how you did. So I gave you the decimal 0.48, or that reads as 48 hundredths. So the first thing you were supposed to do is write it as a fraction. So you should have written it as 48 over 100. Next, how many tenths were there? There were 4 tenths. And then how many hundredths? 8. I hope you did that well. All right, today we're going to do a review of adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing so that later in the week we can do fractions and decimals. So our first question for today is 32,893 plus 21,428. So in Spanish that would be 32,893 más 21,428. So our first two numbers that we're going to multiply together are 3 and 8. 3 más 8, which is 11, or 11. We write our 1 here, and we must carry our other one. So escribe uno aquí, escribe uno aquí. 1 plus 9, uno más 9, which is 10, or 10. And then we have to add 2, so más 2, which is 12, or 12. Once again, we write our 2, we carry our 1. So escribe 2 aquí, escribe uno aquí. We do 1 plus 8, uno más 8, which is 9, or 9. 9 plus 4, 9 más 4, which is 13, or 13. We write our 3 here. We carry our 1. So escribe 3 aquí, escribe uno aquí. 1 plus 2 is 3. Oh, sorry. Uno más 2 is 3. And then add 1 more, so más uno, which is 4, or 4. And then finally we do, sorry, my camera's a little off, 3 plus 2, 3 más 2, which is 5, or 5. 1, 2, 3, comma. So our answer is 54,321. So 54,321. All right. We're going to do one more addition problem. We're going to do 62,781 plus 4,009. So in Spanish that would be 72,781 más 4,009. Our first two numbers that we add together are 1 and 9, uno más 9, which is 10, or 10. We write our 0 here, we carry our 1, escribe 0 aquí, escribe uno aquí. 1 plus 8, uno más 8, which is 9, or 9. And then add 0, so más 0, which is still 9, 9. Then we do 7 plus 0, 7 más 0, which is 7, 7. Then we do 2 plus 4, 2 más 4, which is 6, or 6. And then we have 6 plus 0, 6 más 0, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, comma. So our final answer is 66,790. In Spanish, that would be 66,790. All right, now we're going to do one subtraction problem. We're going to do 79,381 minus 4,645. So 79,381 menos 4,645. First, we are going to do 1 minus 5, 1 menos 5, which we cannot do because it's bigger on bottom, so we must borrow. So we cross out our 1 and our 8. Our 1 becomes a 0. Oh, I'm sorry. the wrong way. Our 8 becomes a 7, so that this 1 can become an 11. So 7 y 11. 11 minus 5. 11 menos 5 is 6, or 6. 7 minus 4. 7 menos 4 is 3, or 3. 3 minus 6, once again, it's bigger on bottom, so we must borrow. This 9 becomes an 8, or 8, so that this 3 can become a 13, or 13. 13 minus 6, 13 menos 6, which is 7, or 7. And then we have 8 minus 4, 8 menos 4, which is 4, or 4. And 7 minus 0 is, or 7 menos 0 is 7, or 7. 1, 2, 3, comma. So our final answer is 74,736. In Spanish, that would be 74,736. All right. We now have one multiplication problem and one division problem left. Do 32 times 28. 32 por 28. First we do 8 times 2, 8 por 2, which is 16, 16. So we put our 6 and carry our 1. So escribe 6 aquí, escribe 1 aquí. Next we do 8 times 3, 8 por 3, so 8, 16, 24. And then we add 1, so 24 más 1, which is 25, or 25. Our most important step is to write the 0. So escribe 0 aquí, es muy importante. Next, you can cross off the 8 and you can cross out that 1 that we carried because we are done with those 2. Next, you can do 2 times 2, 2 por 2, which is 4, or 4. And you write 4. And then we do 2 times 3, 2 por 3, which is 6, or 6. Now we have to add them all up. So we have 6 plus 0, which 6 más 0, which is 6, or 6. 5 plus 4, 5 más 4, which is 9. Oh, make that a little bit better. I'm writing sideways. And then 6 plus 2, 6 más 2, which is 8, or 8. So our final answer is 896. So in Spanish, that would be 896. Oops. And our last problem that we will be doing together is 513 divided by 4. So first we ask, so that would be 513 dividido de 4. First we see how many times 4 can go into 5. 4 can go into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. We subtract, we get 1. Next we must bring down our next number, which is 1, so it makes it 11. How many times can 4 go into 11? 4 can go into 11 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. I subtract, I get 3. Next I bring down my next number, which is 3. How many times can 4 go into 33? 4 can go into 33 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. Kind of running out of room. 33 minus 32 is 1. So I have a remainder of 1. So 128, remainder 1 is my final answer. I'm going to leave you with 2 extra problems, 1 multiplication and 1 division. And then if you send me your homework and those 2 are attached, I'll give you an extra dojo. So let's do 61 times 32. And let's do 484 divided by 5. Those are your 2 extra ones. We'll go over those first thing tomorrow. I hope you have a good time working with these. If you have any questions, please let Miss Sweeter know. Have a great day. Bye.